Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are here and you all have joined this session, right? So we will just go for a very quick session, okay? We will just go for a very quick session, and I request all the students to be alert and join the session, okay? I hope you can hear me very well as you can see the content, right? Okay, Shandan. Can anybody answer me whether you can hear me or not? Kalyan, Lavanya Pidurkar. Can anybody hear me? Yes, okay. So Aryan, I hope you can hear me as well as you can see the presentations when I am showing. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. So today is the final revision of our examination. So here we will just go through the literature contents. What is and reading contents. Just the pattern. Okay. So you will have choose the correct answers based on your textbook. Okay, this is going to be on your based on your textbooks. Okay. I hope you can hear. Right. So choose the correct answer. It will be maybe from the back of the textbook, maybe it is from the textbook. This is why I tell you, read the textbook. Okay. So the particular choose the correct answer may be from the textbook or from the poem or from the back of the textbook. Don't depend on the exercise what is at the end of the textbook only. Okay. And can anybody give the answer? Can you see the presentation? I hope you can see the presentation. Right? Okay. Yes, Lavanya Pidurkar says yes. So I hope you can see it and I am going ahead with it. Okay. So choose the correct answer. I have just written the title so that you understand that. Then there will be dialogue writing where I have told you there will be planning notes which is given to you. Planning notes. What will be given? Planning notes. Students, can you write what are the things that you will get in planning note in the chat box? Can you just write what are the things that you can write in the that you will get in the chat planning notes? You know? Come on, those who remember, just write. I am not going to tell you what will come in the text question paper or what will not come. Aryan Tiwari. If you ask me, madam, this will come, madam, that will come. You are not more a child, a small child. I am not going to share the question paper here. I am going to help you with the pattern only. Okay. So children, you let me know in a planning note of a dialogue, what are the things that you may get? You know, you may get certain things. Nobody knows what you will get in a planning note. You are writing yes ma'am, okay ma'am, yes ma'am, okay ma'am. What are the things that you will get in a planning note of a dialogue? Have you all revised how to write a dialogue? Characters. Okay, situation, characters, then you know, you will be getting the setting. Setting means where this particular dialogue is taking place, and characters. Characters. Then situation. Which situation this is taking place. Then you will get outline, dialogue prompts. It is written dialogue prompts. Okay. That means I am writing in a very simple language where you can write outline of the you will get outline of this particular you will be getting the outline of the dialogue. Okay, outline of the dialogue will be shared with you. Okay, these are the things what you can see. I am at the same time I am checking your views also here. Okay, those who are having any doubt about this, they can post. Now we will not go for the discussion of this particular dialogue writing, but what we will go through is we will just see how you have to write it. Settings, character, situation, outline will be given. So based on this, on what situation you have to write the dialogue, you should understand whether it is for home or whether it is for school, whether it is for this, that, then accordingly you have to write. And for all the characters you have to write the dialogues. And I told you dialogue sentence should be very, very short. Okay. So, okay. Next thing is that children, you just to read this means this particular slide. Understand what is written here. Understand what is written here. Make a sentence with the word. You just to look at this, and by that time I will return. Those who want to write this or the particular words, see, this word will not come. Okay, this word will not come at all. Yeah. So children, this is how these words will not come in the exam. Don't expect. These are samples. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Just a minute, children. Okay, now you must understand that you are no more a very small kid. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to just understand that you have to use the words in the sentences. Okay, in this exam you are going to use the words in a sentence. Okay. So for that, what you need to know is you need to know the meaning of this particular word, right? You have to know the meaning of the particular word if you have to use it in a sentence. So the meaning will be shared with you. Your personality is very unique. Yeah, very nice. So you can write this type of sentences. Okay, your personality is very unique, or you can write whatever. Very nice. You are responding very well. Okay. So the tiger pads slowly to catch a deer. You no need to copy this same sentence. Okay, you have to frame sentences on your own. Look here, tuk to started liking. Look at the fourth word. Tuk to means started liking. That is the meaning of this particular word. So what should you do? When you see took to, then you have to make a sentence of your own. How will you make? Let me show you. Took to. So you will write I took to I started liking my new pet dog. ओके जब वो उसको लाया है तभी आपको डर था तो आप उसके पास नहीं जाते थे तो आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट हैपन यू आई टुक टू माई ओके टुक टू माई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग सो आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग माई न्यू पेट डॉग समझ में आया आपको तो आपको ऐसा सेंटेंसेस बनाना है ओके सो वर्ड विल बी गिवन मीनिंग विल बी गिवन as you see cling hold tightly इतना ही देगा What you need to do? What should you do, children? Type it in the chat box. Let me see. What should you do? आपको word और meaning देगा. My decision is very unique. Yes, good. He is skipping his breakfast. No, Harshal Gonde. This is not the skip here. Skip is a noun, not an action verb. It is not used as an action verb. It is used as a noun. Skip means a dustbin जहाँ आपको सिर्फ पेपर ही फेंकना है. Okay, unique spelling, Navya Vadaskar. So let me know, children please let me know, what should you do when the words and its meanings are given? Just write in the examination, when the words and its meanings are given, what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? Let me see. You are not writing, children, the answer. What I am asking for. She took to singing. No. Yes. Write a sentence. Arun Sable has written, write a sentence. That is the correct choice. Okay. Now understand that when you are given, children, yes, Lakshman Bode, that means Swara Bode also understood what you have to write. We have to write a sentence. Aryan Tiwari wrote. Children, Partha Shukla, all of you tell me, when a word and its meaning is given, what are you supposed to do? You see, I am not able to get my, this one, means your responses in my, side by side I used to check your opinion in my YouTube. I am not able to get it. That's why I am searching, because I can't see your live comments. I have to minimize this screen. Yeah, by the grace of God I got it. Okay. Okay, children. Sorry for the trouble. I was searching for your, actually, if I keep like this, no, then I can take you. I took tuition. What is this? Donal Srivas. Who is this? Sivastraj. Who is this? Domati Sivastraj. I took tuition. Can you please type your name? Yes, we have to make sentences. Pratesh, right. So when the word is given, you have to make sentence. So I am not going to take revision on that. Okay. Next we are going to just have a discussion on some of the question and answers from the poem and the lesson. It is just a part of revision. Don't think that this will come in the examination, my dear children. Madam has written only few questions, so these questions will come. No. Okay. What was special about the animal in the sack? Name at least two features. This is all about father to an anteater lesson. So you can write what was the special thing about the animal which you feel, how it looked like. Okay. Then you can write about the two features of that. It was just the size of a corgi, this, that. Okay. Next one. Why did Sarah want to climb onto people all the time? This is just to recollect the gist of the lesson. So Sarah Hagersack was a very small what? You write what was Sarah Hagersack, write in the chat box, children. I am not minimizing, I got mobile. Okay. Who was Sarah Hagersack, or what was, not who, what was Sarah Hagersack? Write fast, hurry up. All of you write the answer immediately in the chat box. Write fast. We have no time to waste. What was Sarah Hagersack? Yes, the Sarah Hagersack. Only Agruti is responding. What about others? Hurry up. What was Sarah Hagersack? It's not an anteater. It's a baby anteater, Nityam. Okay. So, giant anteater. It's not a giant anteater, Lavanya. It's a baby giant anteater. Those who wrote now giant eater, they will get or anteater, they will not get any mark. It was a baby giant anteater. That's the answer. So Sarah liked to climb to people all the time. Why? Because she was doing the same with her mother. Right? So you have to answer the questions. What is the poet asking us to do? How does he want us to act? This is from Sumatran tiger. Right? So, what is the poet is asking us to do? To protect the tigers. How does he want us to do it? We have to do it very quickly. We should not think for years. We should not think for months and waste time. Right? Why are Sumatran tigers facing extinction? You know that illegal logging and all those things are creating. What are the reasons given in the poem has to be written as the answer. It is just to recollect these lessons and poems. Okay. So it has nothing to do with the examination question paper. Don't think these questions will come again and again, I am telling you. Okay. Now, why was this question I have taken from Annie's key. Right. Annie was a very poor girl. She had no money to compete in the participate in the competition. She has found the things from her treasure box, participated, got first prize. Right. So why was Annie worried about the art competition? Because she had no materials, right? Now, how did the dream help Annie? The dream first of all has given her an idea of making the butterfly. Then it helped her to think about the things which is there available in her treasure box, because there were seeds, ticklies, all these things ticked on that. Then, what are the things mentioned in the poem that can be recycled? This is from Recycling Rap poem, right? So, what are the things mentioned in the poem? You know that old papers, newspapers are mentioned in the poem. Then, glass jars are mentioned in the poem. Then, what else? Tell me, children, I have told you two. Now, you tell me the third one. Many are sitting silently even though this is the final revision. I don't know why. I told you two things. Glass can be recycled.